Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.3% against the yen. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 1.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate saw a minor dip of our sold market. The oil dollar pair plummeted 2% in the last session. According to the ultimate oscillator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
European stock markets edged higher as a positive handover from the US helped to dilute further signs of Eurozone economic weakness. Pascal Gauthier, CEO and chair of hardware crypto wallet manufacturer Ledger, has announced the firm will be reducing its staff by 12%. Gauthier said the staff cuts had been made for longevity of the business, citing the 2022 bear market and the collapse of firms including FTX and Voyager Digital. The dollar retreated, tracking the pullback in treasury yields and providing much-needed relief for the yen and euro ahead of the release of a key US non-farm payrolls report that could help determine whether the Federal Reserve raises interest rates again next month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT, Finland's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's factory orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.